Third video, the human body. By let's learn together with Kartavya. Introduction. The human body is a complex machine. Just as a machine is made up of several parts, our body is also made up of several parts. A group of organs working together is a form a particular function called a organ system. Our skeleton, as you can see, our skeleton, cranium, vertebrae, scapula, ribs, humerus, sternum are all are labeled parts of human skeleton. Skull, backbone, ribcage, limbs. Skull is that protects the brain. The upper part of the skull is made of 8 flat bones that are interlocked together. The facial regions of the 14 bones. All the bones are fixed together except the lower jaw, which can move. The upper and the lower jaw have teeth. The movement of lower jaw helps us to chew food. The skull is attached to the backbone or spine. The backbone protects the spinal cord. The backbone is made up of 33 bones called vertebrae. They are stacked one on another. Each bone has a hole where the spinal cord passes by. Pairs of thin 12 bones called the ribs protects the lungs and our heart. There are two types of limbs, arm limb and leg limb. So first we are talk about arms limb. Our arms are joined with the spine with the help of shoulder blades and collarbones. The upper arm is made up of one long bone called humerus, while the lower bones are radius and ulna. The upper and the lower are joined with the elbow. We will talk about the legs. Forget it. The upper leg or thigh is made up of a strong long bone called femur or thigh bone. The femur is the longest bone in our body. The lower leg is made up of two long bones called the tibia and fibula. The upper leg joins the lower leg with the help of knee. Joints. The place where two or more bones meet together is called a joint. There are two types of joints, immovable joints and movable. Immovable joints. Some joints, like those present between the bones of our skull, except the lower jaw, do not allow any movement. Such joints are known as immovable joints. Example is here on your screen. Movable joints. So, most joints present in our body allow free movement in our body of bone. Such joints are known as movable joints. There are 4 movable joints that include ball and socket joints, gliding joints, hinge joints, and pivot joints. Ball and socket joints. It is a kind of joint. The ball-shaped end of the bone fits into a cup-shaped socket of another. Such joints are very flexible and allow in almost all directions to move. Example, shoulders, sliding joint. In this, it is a kind of joint. The bones slide past each other except example, backbone, hinge joints. They are similar to the door hinges in only allows for forward movement and backward movement. Example, toes. Pivot joints. In this kind of joint, a rod-like bone fits into a ring formed by another bone. Example, skull, first vertebrae. Now we're gonna talk about muscular system. Muscles are joints to bones with the help of tissue known as tendons. So there are some types of muscles, some not some, all the muscles. Voluntary muscles involuntary muscles, and cardiac muscles. Voluntary muscles are the muscles attached to the skeleton, is known as voluntary muscles. Involuntary muscles, the muscles which do their work by themselves, called involuntary muscles. Cardiac muscles, the muscles present in our heart. Nervous system. All the systems of our body are called nervous system. Brain, nerves, spinal cord, reflex action. There are three main parts of the brain: cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla. Cerebrum. It is the largest part of the brain, and it's responsible for memory, learning, and intelligence. Cerebellum. It is situated below the cerebrum. It controls, coordinates the movement of the voluntary muscles and keep our blood in control. Medulla. It's the brain system. It also forms a connection with brain to spinal cord. I forgot the S. Nerves. Nerves are made of special cells called nervous cells. Arise either from the brain or spinal cord. Sensory nerves, motor nerve, mixed nerve. Sensory nerves are these nerves carry messages to the brain or spinal cord. These carry motor nerves. These carry messages to the brain, to the muscles. Mixed nerve. These carry messages to the whole body from the brain. Spinal cord. It extends down to the medulla. It is protected by backbone. It is responsible for the messages to the brain and other body parts. Not all messages go to the brain. Some of them require immediate response. These are controlled by our spinal cord. These immediate responses are reflex actions. So imagine like there is like not enough time to send message to the brain, so we do reflex actions. Sense organs: eyes, ear, nose, tongue, skin. So I will not gonna tell you about them in detail. You please copy the link and see from the website. So I am gonna show you the diagram. Eyes, ear, nose diagram, tongue diagram. So you must know about the taste buds. So as you can see the colored things like purple one, blue one, orange one, no, not orange, yellow ones, and green ones. So you know them. This is helpful. The skin. So the skin is normal, but I have shown you the diagram of the inner skin also. Oh, please subscribe and like. So I'm ending this meeting.